Nema ništa иманентно за слободата од, би рекол, идентитетот на човекот, од неговиот јазик, неговата култура, неговата духовност и духовноста на средината во која што живее. И во тој дух би сакал да скренам внимание, поготово на луѓето кои што се занимаваат со политика, да не забораваат и да не занемаруваат тие фундаментални вредности.
I think this is the most wonderful profession in the world, to be able to express yourself artistically through light and shadows. It's an art form that slowly but surely is disappearing. I want to emphasize the importance of visual storytelling. I want to emphasize the importance of shadows and light. To all the young filmmakers watching this, you got to work on your art, you got to work on your craft. This is not just about seeing the image, it's about visual metaphors, it's about telling a story again through composition, camera movement, and lights and shadows. So good luck to you all. Thank you very much for this award again. As I said again, can't wait to see you guys in Macedonia.